Matcha tea and benefits. The best matcha is known to come from southern Japan. While matcha tea might seem just like your average green tea, it's distinguished from other teas in that the matcha tea bushes are covered for several days prior to harvest to shade them from sunlight. Matcha's antioxidants levels are off the charts, containing 3 times as much epigallocatechin gallate, the signature antioxidant found in green tea. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on the benefits of matcha tea. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. An important fact to know about matcha is that when matcha powder is added to water in order to make the tea, it retains all the nutrients from the leaf, which is why its health benefits are more powerful than standard green tea. Have you already tried matcha or have heard about it? Are you curious to know more? Before beginning with the benefits on our list, let's describe the nutritional value of matcha powder. 1 serving of matcha green tea contains L-theanine, caffeine, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A and potassium. It also contains antioxidants such as catechins. The benefits. High in antioxidants. Matcha is rich in catechins, which are plant compounds found in tea that act as natural antioxidants. Antioxidants improve our immune system and stabilize free radicals, harmful compounds in our body that tend to cause disease. Catechins synergize with cellular mechanisms to improve energy and endurance, reduce inflammation and LDL cholesterol, and possess potential anti-tumor properties, benefits gained primarily through daily consumption. An important thing to note is that in all of nature, matcha contains the highest concentration of epigallocatechin 3 gallate or EGCG. Provides an energy boost. Matcha tea contains both caffeine and L-theanine, which provide a stable energy boost without the anxiety coffee and energy drinks tend to bring. This combination of caffeine and L-theanine will provide an energy boost through the day without negative side effects, similar to espresso but more natural and healthy. Easier time focusing. Going hand in hand with the previous fact, the combination of both coffee and L-theanine helps the mind concentrate on tasks much better. L-theanine boosts alpha wave production in the brain, which encourages relaxation and induces a profound feeling of mental clarity and a more alert state of mind, similar to what yoga practitioners feel after meditating. For this reason, drinking matcha tea in the morning is very helpful for tasks that require concentration or simply to start your morning in a relaxed way. Cancer prevention. Matcha is packed with catechins and powerful antioxidants, on top of also being high in epigallocatechin 3 gallate or EGCG, a catechin with powerful anti-cancer properties. The study Matcha Green Tea (MGT) inhibits the propagation of cancer stem cells (CSCs) by targeting mitochondrial metabolism, glycolysis, and multiple cell signaling pathways. Liver protection. Our liver is an important organ tasked with flushing out toxins, metabolizing drugs, and processing nutrients. Consuming matcha can help with our liver's health and prevent damage caused to it too, due to the presence of antioxidants. Oral health. Matcha tea is good for protecting our teeth's enamel and also clear out bacteria that cause bad breath. Maintaining oral health is an important part of our health routine, often overlooked by some who prioritize other parts of their body. But matcha tea in the morning can help clear out unwanted or harmful bacteria and keep our teeth safe from plaque. Weight loss. Green tea is associated with helping weight loss due to speeding up metabolism and increasing expended energy due to boosting fat burning. Matcha tea multiplies this weight loss benefit, which will help you achieve your goals faster. Supports the immune system. Matcha is also associated with a fortified immune system and also limits invasion and growth of viruses and bacteria in our body. Thanks to its high content in EGCG, matcha shows great effect when fighting and protecting our body against bacterial and viral infections such as influenza, hepatitis and herpes. Cognitive function. Matcha tea also helps enhance cognitive function, especially those concerning attention time and memory. It has even been shown to help the elderly improve their brain function. Adding matcha to any of your baked meals or consumed as tea can help you perform mental tasks much faster and easier, and also retain information in your short-term memory for a longer amount of time. Prevents oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to cancer, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, heart attack and heart failure. The antioxidants that are found in matcha destroy the free radicals that cause the oxidative stress, and since matcha is full of many types of powerful antioxidants, it's no doubt that it's good at preventing oxidative stress. We highly recommend incorporating matcha in your daily diet. The best part about matcha is that, be it in the tea form or in powder, it's a very versatile superfood that can even be baked or mixed up with other types of meals. We thank you for watching our video on matcha tea's facts and benefits, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel, Superfoods, and share your experiences and thoughts too. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.